across cities and countries, through nights of waiting and long moments of silence. Her voice travels through the distance like a promise that cannot be broken. She waits without doubt, because her heart has already made its choice. Between them are borders, time zones, oceans, but never between their feelings. Love is stronger than roads, stronger than time and other people's words. She knows they will be together. Not maybe, not someday, but for sure. Let the world try to stand in their way. Let life test their strength. Their love is not the kind that gives up. It is the kind that goes on.